Okay, everybody, well, I found something to see, and it's certainly pretty. You can see the windmill there, pretty incredible. Milos. And this is a little street. Let's go see where this street takes us. So I was walking around the edge of the city over by the seaside where the ships are, and there was cute little places to see, but nothing really that jumped out at me. But this little street looks pretty good. Dusting all the stuff, that's cool. All right, I'll be right back. All right. It was nice to take a little break. So this is on the caldera side, and so that's what they told me, is that, and this little street here is supposed to be famous. Wow. I could use a pound of that right now because it's hotter than sin. How beautiful is this?
Actually, they'll probably be wet. Yeah. In all honesty, they'll probably be wet.
Pardon me. Look at the little balconies and stuff too. Is that amazing? Get out of here. That is just... And the pool over on the left side, that is amazing. And look at the people up there sitting on their little balcony overlooking the sea. Amazing. Wow. It's pretty amazing.
Well, I mean, we can start running.
So I asked the lady in the store what's the best street, and she said this one was really good if you wanted private and easygoing and not a lot of people. If you wanted a busier street, there's certainly more busier streets, but this one was one of the better ones, she said. And I think she said there was like 1,100 churches in Santorini. if I understood her right. It was hard to understand her English. She did wonderful, but 1,100 churches. So she says you'd see the crosses all over the place all the time. So yeah, getting a little room here would be kind of fun, huh? But, you know, the hard part about it is you're on top of a mountain. So if you're not, I mean, what do? I guess you drink a lot and wait for a taxi to get you to the beach, because the ocean's not even close. You can't really swim on the caldera side. Phew. It's a lot of climbing, I'll tell you. So this is certainly not a place where you have mobility issues. If you have mobility issues, it's not okay. The roads are rough, the cobblestones are rough. They poke my feet and hurt my feet all the time. So if you're thinking about coming to Santorini and staying a week, you might want to rethink that idea if you have mobility issues. A yellow door. I would have thought everything would have been blue. That's a pretty amazing picture right there. Wow. Wow, well, okay. And we're right next to the road now, so it's pretty crazy. And they have generators here too. I wonder if electricity goes out often or something. I wonder how they even get electricity to an island like this. Does it have to have its own power plant or and water too? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording because this looks just like basic stuff. Okay, bye. Okay, so if you want to come to the very end of the island, just know that it's a fairly good climb to the top. So be prepared to walk. And you have two choices. You have this trail or you have the highway. So this is better than traffic and a hill. So you can see how much we have to climb. Okay, that's it. Bye, everybody. Okay, so they're doing another photo shoot here with her. And there's another one way down there. I wonder if today is like photo shoot day or something. Oh, and there's another lady in purple getting her pictures taken. And this just must be the spot to get it all done at, huh? Pretty amazing.
Perfect. Are you ready? Lift to the camera. Great. Okay. Now the same as you to that side.
Okay. Man. Talk about building on a cliff, I'll tell you. Okay. You know what? I'm going to end here. This is the top, I think. So, and here's the church. Pretty amazing. That's it for me, everybody. Thanks for coming along on my walk around Santorini. Bye. Okay, so this is the top of the hill. Oh my gosh, so that's like 20 to 25 minutes. Pretty much a good incline. And so, certainly some work. So this is the extreme left side of the island if you're at the port. If you're at the port where the tram is. And so this is that same little street that lady told me to get on. And so this is it. It's nice that it's a little more level, and it's nice that there's a little bit of shade every once in a while anyway. I just am praying for a breeze or a hurricane. Either one of those would work fine. So just for reference, you can see where the cruise ship is way down there, and you can see where we got up in the mountain, so you can see how far we've walked and come down. So it's pretty far. Phew. So right now I'm looking for a mini mart or something because it's quite hot and muggy and humid and everything else. But the views are amazing. What do you think of the view? Pretty incredible, huh? Well, I have a choice here. I can go this way. Well, and I can see people way over there. Or I can go that way. And that one says pharmacy. I don't need pharmacy. Let's go this way. What the heck? But that's a pretty amazing picture, though. All right, I just dripped on my camera. Big steps. You know what's amazing to me is, I drift on my camera again, is how many pools there are here. And I guess it's because they can't get to the ocean, but the weather's perfect for it. But like if you look, you can just count them. I mean, from right here, 1, 2, 3, and there's 4 and 5 down there. And so there's just lots of these little pools. So it's kind of a pool full place. And a dog. Santorini mission. And a jacuzzi. And another jacuzzi. Whew. All right. Are they cleaning the pool here? I think so. Wow. That's a pretty amazing picture. Oh, it must be doing a picture of a woman, huh?
Wait 1 second. Περίμενε πάρα πολύ τη μαλακία.
Ooh-wee. Honeymoon Petra Villas. Boy, the climb up here is pretty heavy in this heat. You can see people coming downstairs. Oh, another lady being pictured. Wow. That's a pretty pool too. And that's the top right up there, so almost there. Almost there. Okay. I'll be back.